And good afternoon. My name is Mike Massey. I'm the Director of Community Development for Tradeking. Tradeking is an innovative online options and stockbroker that launched in December 2005 as a cutting-edge alternative for active option and equity traders. In our 2 short years in business, we've been recognized by Smart Money magazine in their annual survey as the #1 online discount broker in both 2006 and 2007. Today, I will be discussing a unique piece of the Tradeking's platform, the Tradeking community. It is the pioneering social it's the pioneering social network in the online brokerage industry and was the first community to allow members to share their actual trades with others. This was a defining step towards transparency in the brokerage industry and is the pillar upon which our latest version is built. Why would a brokerage firm build a social network, you ask? People naturally network around their investments, so it made sense to move that online and put technology behind it to amplify it. Our aim was to turn this typically singular trading experience into a social one by removing barriers between not only other clients but Tradeking itself, all in a trusted and safe environment. We do not sell advertisements on the site, nor do we sell our members' data. Rather, we provide the data back to them as more market data and generate trading ideas. The reward for Tradeking, we positively impact our business metrics. The reward for our clients, they become smarter investors. Our hard work and innovative approach was recognized by the Webbies, which named the Tradeking community as an official honoree for this year's award. Let me dive in and show you a little bit about it. Here we're looking at the homepage of the Tradeking community. This is where Wall Street meets Main Street research. Information is organized behind trading activity, trading notes, groups, blogs, and forums. Here we can see the leaderboard, which shows who the top traders are in the Tradeking community over various time frames, recent trade notes, which is research that members have produced, recent blogs, groups that congregate in the Tradeking community, as well as active forums. We're going to dive into trading activity. Trading activity shows what's being traded in the Tradeking community over the past few time frame. We're going to go to SLB, which is Schlumberger Limited, and what we can actually see is that there are people actually trading these securities within the Tradeking community. Here we have an individual, Mr. Short. Mr. Short recently bought to cover and closed out his short position in Schlumberger. We can click on this individual and we can see not only his trades, what trade notes he's actually written, his portfolio, if he chooses to share it, any blogs that he's written, are networks that he belongs to with other people. We can see that the performance of Mr. Short, as well as that Tradeking confirms that he's an actual account holder at Tradeking, which means we actually know who this individual is. It's a layer of trust that we put into our members that we stand behind who this person actually is. Here's a listing of our recent trade notes in the Tradeking community. We're going to dive into one of them and take a look. Here we see that Victor K recently bought Philip Morris after it's taken quite a plunge there. This is his rationale for why he's actually trading this security. Everybody knows why they're making a buy or a sell. All this is doing is capturing the information for them, giving it back to the community, and letting them absorb it and generate trading ideas in that. Another interesting thing that we do within the Tradeking community is we have all-star commentary. This is written by our Director of Education on a daily basis, and we also invite other professional traders to come in and help comment on the trades that people have actually done within the Tradeking community. Here we have Doc Mayer, who provides information on a trade that English Teach, one of our community members, did regarding a strangle with Google. Last thing I wanted to talk about real quick was the Tradeking Forms. What we do here is, pardon me, we monitor every single piece of content that goes within the Tradeking community for compliance reasons with our regulators. By doing this, we create a trusted environment that members can interact with other members safely and securely. if this same, here's a member asking whether or not he should invest in penny stocks. You can imagine what would happen if this person would do something in the Yahoo message board. He would be flooded with possible investment ideas for pump and dump stocks. Here we have people telling him, that he needs to do a lot of research to do so prior to actually making a trade for that. Thank you.